Thumb fan. Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to perform the thumb fan and perform a simple close. We will teach how to close the fan with one hand in a follow-up tutorial and link it in the description. Start with the cards in end grip in your non-dominant hand. You then want to move your non-dominant hand to perform the grip. Place your thumb at the bottom of the deck in the center, then extend your index and middle finger and place them on the bottom of the deck diagonally facing the corner. We would recommend placing the middle finger just over the corner. From this point, hold the cards in just your non-dominant hand. After this, you want to grip the cards like so, with the thumb on the long edge, the index finger on the short edge and the middle finger on the opposite long edge. Rotate the whole deck backwards about the thumb into the crevice between the thumb and index finger. Then you want the pad of the thumb to make contact with the edge of the deck. From here, begin the fanning motion, spreading out the cards. At the beginning, you will be pushing the cards with the tip of your thumb, and as you progress, you want to roll your thumb back, letting each card come off one by one. And at the end, you will be pushing the cards downwards, only making contact at the top of the cards. To close the fan, simply use the thumb or index finger to reverse the motion of the fan using the thumb as a pivot, or you can use the thumb or index finger at the top of the fan and let the cards slide underneath your fingers and about the thumb to close it at the bottom. We'll teach a one-handed closing method in the following tutorial. Thumb fan tips. We'd recommend beginning to learn with a smooth handling / new deck, as it will be easier to fan with. We'd also recommend creating a bevel before fanning to make the fans more consistent. Do this by holding the cards in middle grip with all the fingers at the long edge and tilt the fingers and thumb towards your dominant hand, so in my case towards the right, like so. Do this just before you move the cards into the crevice of your hand and begin the fanning motion. To create larger looking fans, move your thumb to create the pivot point in the bottom left corner of the deck, and when performing the fan you can fully extend your thumb, allowing more rotation to take place. You can also experiment with where you put the pivot point to create different fans. Say you don't want to see the internal overlap of the cards, you can bevel the cards as such and place the thumb like so to create this fan. The closer the thumb to the bottom left corner, the smaller the internal overlap. You can also perform this fan using your index finger with the same techniques, but using your index finger to spread the cards instead.